Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 31st of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over my weekly prediction for Tesla. As usual, we'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one. Finally, just concluding it and putting it into numbers where we track the performance. But before getting into this video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, before entering the market, and also to do trading your own way, since there is a certain method and a risk preference and a trading style that I have which you may not agree with. So do keep that in mind and don't blindly follow the contents of this video, although it is a good and informative guide. So monthly charts we can see for Tesla, as they have been, are definitely going downwards. We can see that the RSI did cross its average and is continuing to go downwards. We can see that clearly, and then even in terms of slope, we can see that if we draw a line here, this would definitely be a downward sloping RSI, so we have more confirmation of that price movement. And even from a higher peak, we can definitely see that this is the case. MACD as well shows a similar pattern, although it is starting to shake up. It is definitely going downwards. And we did have a cross signal all the way over here, which would have given us quite a good return as the market went down quite significantly. And the MACD continues to go down along with its average. Weekly charts this week, we can see similar pattern, although I have drawn this downwards wedge here. We can see that immediately it's not easy to discern the range, since the daily charts do show a certain pattern, which I'll cover once I get there. RSI average is going down, however the actual RSI is rebounding, but from here we can immediately give the resistance or the buy stop, which is at 184.25, while we'll keep the resistance or the sell stop at 165.90. And I'll explain the logic behind that when we get into the daily charts, which is here. We can see that although the overall week was quite bullish, this here is a hanging man pattern, for which we wait for the next candle for confirmation, as it tends to be a bearish candlestick formation, which is clearly the case here since we had the confirmation from the next day. So there is definitely a chance that the market could go downwards, which is why this sell stop is closer to the price right now, since there is a higher chance that the market goes down, but we will wait for confirmation in that aspect. Although the MACD does actually disregard this, since it has actually crossed its average here, and it's continuing to go upwards. So which is why we have a pretty evenly distributed buy and sell, and that's the logic behind that. So now let's move over to this chart here, where let me just make sure these are the right values. So if we go here, the sell stop or the buy stop was 184.25, and that is no. So actually, yeah, 184. Yeah, the reason why that value is 182.87 was actually because, that's my mistake, the buy stop is not supposed to be here, because according to Inside Bar, the break of the mother candle is actually the buy stop. So that's why it's 182.87, and this value is correct. So here we can see that, again, no trade last week, and then target 2% this week, trailing stop loss. If we are in a position and none of them are hit, we take the closing price on Friday. Both weekly and monthly trends are down. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.